Jogi civil society organizations in Churachandpur district ki Behiang village ta chatuna India-Myanmar border fencing Khabagi Thabak Lepkadabani Haina Khongjang Changsinkhre CSO sing hiramasi ki matang the border road task force BRTF Assam Rifles matamadugi makok thongba myoy sing amadi Behiang village chief yauduna khanakre Makoina yaning the Waro Singh Tamnaduna border fencing a seam upon Masida, Lady Bakunja Singh Yamadi, CSO Singhi, Amadi Behiang Area Chief Association Singh Yaba Yaudana, Kagat Payarwe. Heidi Bamfamasi Makogi Mapama Pusina, Tambirambani, Masida Langana Tabakama Paikat Patara Badi Makogi Ayaba, Loga the Benhaiki. How the Paikalang Liber fencing Khabagi Thabakasi Makogi fundamental rights Amadi interest Khongjang Nabani. Lona Toba Mali Haina singna ki. Marilina authority na fencing Khabagi Thabak asi amuktanga khanthana baharaduna wakal taminaraga wari sanaraga thabak tawse haiki loina na makhoina yaba framework ama sem defawbadi fencing Khabagi Thabak asi kudaktagi lepna na ba khangan ki hairi central amadi state lengangna kanba section wa hairaduna fencing Khabagi Thabak asi lemna na ba jo CSO singna kanba warning tawki Makogi Khongjang asida fencing Khabagi Thabak asi leptrabadi makoina lokhalakpa thabak thoramda thorakpa afapata pumnamak lengangna tekchak pugadabani haiki
The construction of border fencing is still going on, and if this is not stopped immediately, we will be taking this to the higher level and more agitation or more aggressive form of protesting will be conducted. And we request the higher authority to come in terms with the Behiang area chief and the usual general headquarters in order to continue or negotiate in a very mutual manner. And this land, which have been remain an ancestral land for decades and centuries, cannot be, no inch of our land can be violated by the central government or the state government without the consent of the chief or the CSO. And the construction of border fencing and the scrapping of FMR is not only affecting the Behiang area, it is also affecting the Act East policy which was passed in order to flourish border trade between India and Myanmar. So we request all the CSOs and all the like-minded persons to protest and oppose this border fencing and the scrapping of FMR.